Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your TON wallet address on Bybit. Guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your Bybit app to open it. So let me tap on mine already. So guys, once you open up your Bybit app, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see exchange. You can see it there at the top. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see welcome to Bybit. So guys, after you tap on exchange, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit/buy with fiat/P2P. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it where you can see deposit/buy. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. You can see down there, that's the last option, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search bar at the top. You can see the search icon there. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do next now is to type in TON. So let me type it right away. TON. So guys, now you can see TON. So guys, now you can see the result of my search. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written here. They said choose a chain type. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on TON. You can see down there. So let me tap on it to select it. So guys, this is where you're going to be able to copy your TON wallet address on Bybit. But before I go ahead now to show you guys that, there's something important you need to take note of. So guys, now you can see at the top here it is written coin. Make sure the coin or crypto you selected is TON if you want to copy your TON wallet address. And also for the network, you can see where the arrow is pointing at network. Make sure TON is selected as well. So guys, after you've done that, now what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. So guys, there are two important things you need to copy right here. The first one is your TON wallet address, while the second one is your TON deposit memo or tag. These two things are actually important for you to successfully deposit TON into this your wallet address. So guys, you need to copy both of them. So guys, now you can see your TON wallet address being encircled there. For you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me copy it right away. So guys, now you can see copy it successfully. And also guys, you can also copy your wallet address, your TON wallet address, by tapping on the copy address at the bottom. You can see there that yellow button. So guys, let me tap on it so you see it. So guys, now you can see at the top, copy it successfully. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can copy your TON deposit memo or tag. So guys, now you can see that encircled area right there. You can see what's written there, tag/memo. You can see there, that's your TON deposit memo or tag. So guys, now what you have to do now is to copy that number right there. You can see the number right there. That's my memo number, my TON deposit address number. So guys, now for me to copy it, what I have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So guys, let me tap on it right away to copy it. So guys, now you can see copied successfully. So guys, once you've copied your TON wallet address and you've copied your TON deposit memo or tag, then you're good to go. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to find and copy your TON wallet address on Bybit, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever we release new videos like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye. Peace.